Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Google Workspace account, billing setup, and domain verified in Admin Console. Once done, open Admin Console and navigate to apps Google Workspace Google Voice to enable the service for your organization. Make sure to assign voice licenses to the admin account you will use for provisioning. This prevents permission roadblocks later. Then, choose whether you need standard or premium features based on user count and compliance requirements. You now provision numbers. Use the Admin Console's bulk assignment, or CSV, upload to assign voice licenses to users. Once licenses are assigned, purchase new Google Voice numbers or start the porting process for existing numbers. Porting requires authorization codes and can take days, so start early. Configure locations and emergency addresses for each user, and set up call routing rules, ring groups, and voicemail policies. Make sure to test on a sample user before wide rollout to catch configuration. You finish by validating everything. Test inbound and outbound calls, voicemail, forwarding, and mobile app behavior for a handful of users. Once satisfied, expand rollout and monitor Admin Console logs and billing for anomalies. If you encounter number porting failures, keep the old carrier active and escalate with port request details. Delays often stem from mismatched account or account holder info. If calls fail, check network firewall rules and SIP/ALG settings. Adjusting those often resolves call.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.